ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക്. കെമിക്കൽ ബോണ്ടിങ്ങിലെ പുതിയ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദി സ്ട്രെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ബോണ്ട്സ് ബൈ ഓവർലാപ്പിംഗ് ഓഫ് അറ്റോമിക് ഓർബിറ്റൽസ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ദി ഓർഡർ. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ SS greater than SP greater than PP. B SS less than PP less than SP. C SP less than SS less than PP. D PP less than SS less than SP. Answer SS greater than SP greater than PP. Next question, which bond is most polar? Option A CLF, B BRF, C IF, D FF. Answer option C IF. Reason, the greater the electronegativity difference between the atoms forming the bond, greater is the polarity of the bond. The electronegativity differences are CLF, the electronegativity value of chlorine 3.16, fluorine 4, the difference is 0.84. BRF, the electronegativity difference is 1.04. IF, electronegativity difference is 1.4. FF, electronegativity difference is 0. Here the electronegativity difference value higher in IF bond. Another one, which of the following is the correct order of covalent nature? Option A NaCl less than MgCl2 less than AlCl3 less than SiCl4 less than PCl5. B PCl5 less than SiCl4 less than AlCl3 less than MgCl2 less than NaCl. C NaCl greater than AlCl3 greater than MgCl2 greater than SiCl4 greater than PCl5. D NaCl less than PCl5 less than AlCl3 less than SiCl4 less than MgCl2. Answer option A NaCl less than MgCl2 less than AlCl3 less than SiCl4 less than PCl5. Reason, larger the size of the anion, greater is the polarization and greater is the covalent nature. ഇതിൽ ആനയോണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതലുള്ളത് ആർക്കാണ്? കൂടുതൽ എണ്ണം വരുന്നത് PCl5 ആണ്. അവിടെയാണ് പോളറൈസേഷൻ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ആവുക, അപ്പോൾ കോവാലന്റ് നേച്ചറും കൂടും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, in which of the following pairs does the first compound not have a higher boiling point than the second? Option A krypton neon. B HBr HCl. C NH3 PH3. D Cl2 KCl. Answer option D chlorine and KCl. Reason, the boiling point of electrovalent compound potassium chloride is greater than that of covalent compound chlorine. Next question, which of the following have correct order of covalent nature? Option A NaF less than Na2O less than Na3N. B Na3N less than Na2O less than NaF. C Na2O less than NaF less than Na3N. D none of these. Answer option A NaF less than Na2O less than Na3N. Reason, polarization decreases as F minus less than O2 minus less than N3 minus. Next question, which among the following have greatest polarization power? Option A, Mg2 plus, B, Si4 plus, C, Al3 plus, D, P5 plus. Answer option D, P5 plus. Reason, greater the charge, smaller the size of the ion and greater is the polarization. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A, greater is the bond order of a species, greater is bond energy and force constant. B, as bond energy increase, bond length decreases and force constant increases. C, as bond length increases, bond energy decreases and force constant also decreases. D, as force constant increases, bond length decreases and bond energy increases. E, all are correct. Answer option E, all are correct. Reason, we know that bond order is directly proportional to bond energy and inversely proportional to bond length. As a result, force constant increases. When bond energy increases, force constant increases. Next question, which of the following is the correct order of increasing ionic character in the bonds? Option A, BrCl less than, ACl3 less than, GeCl4 less than, GaCl3 less than, CaCl2 less than, KCl. ഇനി താഴെ വേറെ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ്. BrCl ലെസ് ദാൻ, ACl3 ലെസ് ദാൻ, GeCl4 ലെസ് ദാൻ, GaCl3 ലെസ് ദാൻ, CaCl2 ലെസ് ദാൻ, KCl. Reason, greater the electronegativity difference between the bonding atoms, greater is the ionic nature of the bond. Next question, which of the following elements can form a +3 ion with noble gas electronic configuration? ഇതൊരു പീരിയോഡിക് ടേബിൾ ആയിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ സ്ട്രോൺഷ്യം, ബി ഇട്രിയം, സി റുഥീനിയം, ഡി ഇൻഡിയം, ഇ SP ആൻറ്റിമണി. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഇട്രിയം. Reason, electronic configuration of yttrium Z39, atomic number 39 ആണ്, is krypton 4d1 5s2. The electronic configuration of yttrium 3 plus Z is equal to 36 is krypton. അപ്പോൾ അതൊരു നോബിൾ ഗ്യാസ് കോൺഫിഗറേഷനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആവും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, which of the following is non-polar but contains polar bonds? Option A HCl, B H2O, C SO3, D NO2, E SO2. Answer option C SO3. SO3 is non-polar but contains polar bonds. Next question, which of the following have correct order of covalent nature?